Alright guys, so we're back out here again trying to find all the best food in San Antonio, and we found the Jerk Shack. So the Jerk Shack was started in 2018 by an Army veteran of 10 years who wanted to show you some of her love for cooking. Then right after she got out, she graduated from college and decided to go to the Culinary Institute of America. And then she opened this for all of us in 2018, guys. This is the Jerk Shack in San Antonio, Texas. We're gonna show you some of the best food. You wouldn't think there'd be such a diverse food culture here, but guys, there is a bunch. So we're gonna take you to the Jerk Shack. We're gonna let you try some of their delicious food, and we're gonna go from there. Make sure you guys like the video, subscribe, and enjoy. All right, guys, so we're here at the Jerk Shack, and I got their chef's recommendation, which is mixed plate. So the mixed plate has jerk chicken, fried chicken, another kind of chicken, 2 sides for $24 and some change. And then for my sides, I got mac and cheese and the rice and peas. So I actually really wanted to try the masala fries, but they did not have any. They were just out. So, and they gave me this for free. And of course, if you guys know Jamaican food, you gotta try the ting. Ting is delicious. It's their soda in Jamaica. If you guys look at my Jamaican restaurant video, my Jamaican restaurant videos, you'll see ting there. So, but the vibes are nice in here. I mean, if you guys look, it's really nice. It was all a dream. So yeah, guys, it's actually a really cool vibe in here. They have flyers for the reggae festival here in San Antonio. I didn't even know they had a San Antonio reggae festival when I lived here. So it's kind of cool. It's going to be July 27th at 2 o'clock to 11 p.m. And it's going to be down on Dartmouth here in the Rosedale Park Pavilion. So if you guys are here in San Antonio, check out the San Antonio Reggae Festival. And definitely check out Jerk Shack, guys. So we're going to try the food. I hope you guys like it. If you're here in San Antonio, definitely check them out. I talked to a bunch of people here. We're trying to find like the best food in all of San Antonio, and this place kept coming up over and over and over again. So guys, I'm hoping you like it. So let's eat some food. Alright guys, so the food's here. Look at all that flavor. So we got the mac and cheese right there. We got the rice and peas right here, which is a classic down in Jamaica. Then we got the jerk chicken, pickles, and the peppers, and then we got fried chicken. Alright guys, so we're gonna dig into it. We're not going to use this because it's going to be way too messy for that. We're going to use that. We got delicious, seasoned, sauced up jerk chicken, guys. Look at that. So let's give it a try. This is one of my favorite things and what makes Jamaica so great. Wow. Okay, first you taste all the sweet and the spice. Then that heat hits. Wow, look at that. That's phenomenal. Definitely good. I'm glad I came here. Got a little gristle, but that's okay. Man, this is really actually some of the best jerk chicken I've ever had. So good. Look at that though. That heat is really, really strong, but not overbearing. Wow, okay. That's definitely a 9.5 out of 10. Now, we're going to try the fried chicken, right? So if you can tell, it's like really seasoned. There's like flavor and seasoning all over it. So I'm assuming it's going to be just as tasty. So let's try it. Wow, that's actually better than Gus's. It's actually way better than Gus's. And Gus's is phenomenal. It's actually really good. It's just really hot right now. Okay, that's fire, guys. So far, definitely not let down at all. Now we're gonna try the rice and peas. It's like dirty rice. Okay, really, really good. A little dry, but it's really good. That's really good. Next, we're going to give it a shot to the macaroni and cheese. Oh, dude, look, watch this. Look at that cheese just. That's awesome. Look at that. Wow. My nose is running from that heat, from that jerk chicken though. This is really good. Just look at that. Okay, so you definitely got to check this place out. Customer service was phenomenal. I came when it was busy. Russ just left. Jerk chicken is some of the best I've ever had. The macaroni and cheese is really good. Fried chicken's actually surprisingly better than I've had in a lot of places. The rice and peas, a little dry. I bet if I put some jerk sauce on it, I bet it would be a little better. Let's give that a shot, actually. Let's see if that beefs it up a little bit. Let's see. Let's try it with the jerk sauce. Okay, that changes it. No longer dry. Alright, man, guys. Customer service was a 10 out of 10. They were out of a few things because they just had a rush. They were out of the beef patty and they were out of the masala fries. So I'm going to have to come back and try those. So they gave me a free ting, which I definitely need right now. And the food's like a 9.5 out of 10, guys. Like, phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. And a funny story, right when I got out of the Army and I was married to someone that we won't discuss, my apartment is right across the highway. So the building's right over there. That's where I used to live. But this place was not here back then. Your boy's single. So, alright guys, definitely come check this place out. You're gonna love it. The flavor's delicious. The quality. This was 24 bucks right here for all of this. That's not bad at all. So definitely come check it out. What was I thinking? Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, guys. 90% of the people that watch my stuff aren't subscribed. How are you going to get your notifications when I make amazing videos like this in the future if you're not subscribed? So make sure you hit that button, like it, share it with your friends, and enjoy, guys. Because I'm going to show you food all over the world. We have huge plans coming up from around the world for this next year and a half. We're going to be going to like 40 more countries. We're moving again. So, guys, you're going to get to see some cool stuff. So, that's going to make it into this video, guys. This place is delicious. You're going to love it. Come to the Jerk Shack here on Highway 151, San Antonio, Texas. My home for many years. This is San Antonio, the food capital of Texas. Enjoy. So I had to end up getting another ting. And of course, the original Jamaican flavor, pineapple, the soft drink. These things are so good. I had these in Jamaica too. Wow, that's delicious. So we're actually going to try the breast now. Like, look at that. Wow, that's juicy. A juicy breast. So good. Wow. And that flavor in the skin. Just wow. Oh, so good. But yeah, guys, you gotta try this. So good. The whole experience, 10 out of a 10 for sure. Food 9.5, service 10. The atmosphere, dude, guys, this place is packed. People have been coming in, eating their food, leaving, more people coming in.
We only wanna make hopla, we don't wanna go war. We only wanna make hopla, we don't wanna